So I just left our local park, and it's a created wetland. All the storm water gets collected and gets pushed in the beginning of the filtration process. What wetlands do for the environment, Mother Nature's filtration systems. I'm just doing lunges right now, but now I'm over in a restored wetland. The reason why it had to be restored is because there were so many invasive species that were taken over. So the Conservancy came in and went through and cut all the invasive species plants out and started planting native stuff. So now it's a thriving wetland. Okay, you can almost call it a natural wetland. That's what it is. But the beginning of this also gets hit by that created wetland that the city has established by collecting all the rainwater. So just left there, just back here doing lunges, trying to get it in. Okay, it's a minute's worth of lunge. Go all the way down to the end real quick. Show you what we're working with here. Just trying to get exercise in whenever I can. Okay, out and about. Doesn't take much time. I have to go back and count. See how many lunges I just did. Minute and 25 seconds. You see how cool this is. This is the restored wetland, marshland, whatever you want to call it. Water is here year round. Okay, a lot of wildlife is back here. But I'm sure all the areas you guys live in, I'm sure you guys have similar stuff. May not be as nice out as it is here. Being able to be outside in the sun, wear shorts, flip-flops if you want, but still be away from everybody. You can see I haven't came across anybody yet. This is a nice little loop. There's all kinds of boardwalk. See all this boardwalk that they have built through this wetland. It's just amazing. It helps them be able to get to certain areas easier as well. You can see a little staircase here. But it helps them kind of control the invasive species here, and allows them to put native species back so we can have an awesome little ecosystem. But thanks to the city and the Conservancy, we have a really cool place real close to my house. So anyway, get out, get moving, start looking into local places, see what you got. We'll talk to y'all.